If you're looking for dog toys tug-of-war, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Outward Hound. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Kong. Number 3, by Westpaw. Get your favorite dog toys tug-of-war now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Mary and Kate Pets. Number 5, by The Natural Pet Company. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.